How does the mucosal barrier protect against ulcers? The mucosal barrier is a fascinating and vital part of our digestive system. It plays a crucial role in protecting our stomach and duodenum from ulcers. So, how does it work? First, think of the mucosal barrier as a protective shield. This shield is made up of several components that work together seamlessly. At the forefront is a thick layer of mucus that coats the stomach and duodenal lining. This mucus is not just any ordinary substance. It is rich in bicarbonate ions, which are secreted by the cells underneath. These bicarbonate ions help neutralize stomach acid right at the surface of the mucosa. This creates a pH gradient, meaning while the stomach remains highly acidic, the surface of the mucosa stays close to neutral. This is what we call the mucus bicarbonate barrier, and it is the first line of defense against damage. Next, we have the epithelial cells themselves. These cells are tightly packed together and form a second line of defense. They have special properties that prevent acid from penetrating deeper into the tissue. Additionally, these cells can quickly repair themselves if they get damaged. They have a remarkable ability to turn over and migrate, which helps maintain the integrity of the mucosal surface. When minor injuries do occur, the mucosa has a clever response. It produces an even thicker layer of mucus that contains sloughed-off epithelial cells and bicarbonate-rich fluid. This helps protect the underlying tissue while healing takes place. Blood flow to the mucosa is also essential. It supplies nutrients and helps remove harmful substances. If blood flow is reduced, the mucosa becomes more vulnerable to injury. There are also local factors at play, such as prostaglandins and neurotransmitters, which help enhance this protective mechanism. They play a role in regulating how well the mucosal barrier can defend and repair itself. However, if anything disrupts this barrier, such as an infection from Helicobacter pylori, the use of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, alcohol, smoking, or decreased blood flow, it can lead to mucosal injury and, eventually, ulcer formation. To summarize, the mucosal barrier protects against ulcers by providing a thick mucus layer infused with bicarbonate to neutralize acid, forming a tight epithelial cell layer that blocks acid penetration, enabling rapid repair after injury, maintaining blood flow to support tissue health, and utilizing local biochemical mediators to regulate defense and repair processes. Keeping this barrier intact is essential for preventing peptic ulcer disease. If you have concerns about ulcers or your digestive health, it is always best to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice.